signal light. It used to show the other drivers if you have changed the other line. And there is the ikatboy.
Oh, sige.
So there is a signal light. It used to inform the other drivers if you have slow or stop the car. This is a ikatboy. So, there is a reverse light to inform the other car behind you if you have to reverse your car.
Sige.
So there is a clutch. Engage and disengage power lets the driver smoothly connect or disconnect the engine power to the gearbox and allow gear shifting. Make it possible to change gears without damaging the transmission. So there is a brake. The purpose of brake: reduce speed or bring the vehicle to complete stop. Helps to prevent accidents by allowing the drivers to control motion. Keep the vehicles steady when parked with a hard brake parking brake. So there is a gas pedal. Purpose of the gas pedal: increases speed when press, control, accelerate smoothly. Work together with the clutch in manual cars and brake for safe driving. So there is a steering wheel. Control the direction, let the driver left or left, right, or keep straight. So this is a gear if you have to change or start. So there is a gear. Purpose of the gear: control speed and power. Lower gears give more power but less speed, good climbing or steering. Higher gears give more speed but less power, good for cruising. Help the engine run efficiently under different driving conditions. Allow smooth acceleration and deceleration.
Okay. Oh.
So there is a horn. The purpose of horn: warn other drivers, pedestrians, or animals of your crossing. Prevent accidents by alerting others in dangerous situations.
Sige. Oh.
So there is the engine ignition. It used to, you have to start the car or if you have to turn off the car. So this is the front light that helps the driver to see the night of the road or low visibility, poor visibility. So this is the wiper. The purpose of this wiper is to clean the windshield if there is dirt or if it is raining.
Sige.
There is the side mirror. The purpose of side mirror: provide side and rear visibility to monitor the traffic, assist in the lane change and overtaking safety.